know if the machine is right? Proofreading these machines has become very hard. It was much easier when it was like, look how OpenAI could build you a Dr. Seuss poem about Florida State Seminoles. It's much more complicated now. And so I simply say this: we're building machines with human intellectual equivalents. That's the pursuit. That's what we're doing. That's what's going on. And that's the easiest way, if you're the smart person in someone's life, and probably everyone in this room is, by confirmation bias. If you're here, you care more about this technology than most people around you. This is what I would tell people. This is what I would tell people. We're building machines with human intellectual equivalents. It's very different than human emotional equivalents. We'll talk about that later. The only graph that I will show you today, and the most important graph that I can show you, is this. And this is really fun because it's now 2 weeks outdated, which in this world is quite a long time. Right? We have a complicated process by which we send people decks, because they actually have to receive the deck the night before in order for it to be updated. As this technology is getting exceptionally good, it's getting exceptionally cheap. Exceptionally cheap. Precipitously so. And as of DeepSeek's launch, OpenAI has now responded by lowering the price for GPT-4 per million tokens to about $1.50. And you can run most of these models on your own GPU now for equivalently less. That's how inexpensive it's gotten. It's fallen from $60 per million tokens to basically $1 in a little over a year and a half. A little less than 2, I suppose. And what's incredible at this, and the reason I care about it so much, is 2 reasons. One, anytime in history, a critical resource declines in cost this much, let alone this fast, there is